Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be testing out some products from Milk Makeup. So overall, this is pretty much a full face Milk Makeup for the most part. So if you guys are interested in this video, please keep on watching. Y'all, shout out to Milk Makeup. They sent me some products in PR, so I figured I would test it out for you guys. So this is one of their mattifying primers, and I just rubbed this in. I wanted to use this instead of the Hydro Grip primer because I already know that that primer is a holy grail. So next, I'm using this fiber brow gel to thicken up my brows, and I was pleasantly surprised with how much this filled in my brows without even using my pencil first. So I just cleaned it up with my spoolie and kind of shaped my brows, and then went in with just a regular brow pencil to fill in the edges. Now I did use a couple different products outside of Milk Makeup, but the majority of this makeup tutorial includes Milk Makeup products. So I went ahead and cleaned up my brows with concealer underneath, and of course, if you've been watching my recent tutorials, you know I've been using a Q-tip to clean up and blend out the concealer underneath my brows. So this product right here is their skin tint. I was very nervous, I'm not gonna lie, because I am a skin tint girly now, but when I was a full coverage girl, like, you could not tell me I was just gonna pick up a skin tint and that was all she wrote. So the applicator is a lot different on here. You definitely, it's just different. It's like the little roller ball, but I'm cool with it. It puts out enough product, like I didn't have to fight with it or anything, so no problems there. Now I'm taking this Hydro Grip setting spray, and I just sprayed it all across my face before I blended out this skin tint. I wanted to make sure like everything was blending real nicely, and as you can see, it did. Now I'm going in with this bronze stick. Now this shade wasn't as deep as I would normally do for a bronzer, but it was giving like a nice natural bronze effect. Now I'm sorry it's a little washed out, but this is the concealer for your under eyes, and when I tell y'all, this thing felt so soothing when I rolled that roller ball up under my eyes. I loved it, and I was excited about the color as well because I could tell it would be brightening. I also have this little blush stick, and I love the color of it. Oh my goodness, like this is like one of my go-to blush shades. Like I love like a nice orangey reddish blush. And so I just wanted to apply some more of that after I blended out my concealer, because I really wanted it to stand out a little bit more, because it's so blendable that it will like blend very flush tone into the skin. To set my face, I'm using a combo of my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Loose Setting Powder, as well as my Laura Mercier Translucent. The Fenty is in the shade Honey. And I am also going in with my Fenty Beauty Bronzer. And I'm just using this to set my face, and then I'm also putting a little bit of that bronzer on my lids, and then I'm going in with my Pro Filter Pressed Foundation, and I'm just using this to set the rest of my face and blend out any excess powder that may be on my face. Now to set it, I'm taking that Hydro Grip setting spray. I love the way it misted, like it did the job, and I feel like it added a glow back to my face. And now I'm going in with this e.l.f. lip liner. This is just a brown shade. You could take any brown lip liner. And then I'm taking this lip plumper, y'all. And y'all gonna hear my thoughts later. One, I was shook at the color payoff, but also the plumping sensation is insane. Like, it's probably one of my favorite lip plumpers I've applied. So I decided to do some lashes. I know it's a little washed out, but these are just some kiss lashes, and I'm just applying those. I was really focused because I had some place to be. I did get a little bit of lash glue on my eyelid, so you know, y'all just, it's there. I see it too. Applying your lashes, you have good days and bad days, I declare. So now I'm going in with this Milk Makeup. This is their mascara, and I'm just applying this to my lower lashes, and this is what the face is looking like. It's giving. It is giving, honey. Okay, so now I'm just taking down my hair. Had to get my wig right, take out these flexi rods because we have places to be, people to see. So let's see how this look comes together. I know this ain't no hair tutorial, but I just left this in because, you know, I thought it was cute. Okay, so especially when I took down this rod, I was like, look how cute my little tendrils had curled. Like, they just look so luscious. You see it. You see it. And I had a little got to be spray because we need them curls to kind of last, okay? I did my little hair, and then I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts right now. All right, guys, so I touched up my hair off camera, and this is the finished look. So far, I'm loving the glow. It's very much giving skin. I was nervous because I do have a breakout like up in here, and I thought it would still show because this skin tint, like, when you look at it, you thinking like, oh girl, she's not gonna do anything, she's gonna give me minimum coverage, whatever. But no, it's really giving my skin but better. Like, if my skin was flawless, that's what it's giving. I'll try and do like a wear test. Right now it is 3:57 p.m. I'm about to go to a little birthday gathering, so I'll try to do like a wear test / update when I finish before I take my makeup off tonight. But so far it looks good. I liked pretty much every product that I applied. I definitely think you get more pigment when you use your brush to the like shade sticks versus trying to apply them straight on top of like other makeup, which is why I did that with the blush. And I really like how pigmented but blendable the blush is. The brow, usually I'm not like a tinted brow gel girly or like one who likes them with the fibers in it, because I feel like it's hard for me to control how I feel in my brows. But honestly, I really like this one because I didn't have to do much to get my brows snatched. So after I filled them in with this fiber gel, I just went in with a pencil and just tidied up the tail end in the front part of my brow. So I really like how my brows look. Definitely a great product if you're looking for something that's gonna give you that bushy eyebrow look. And then of course I just paired it with I just used the products that they sent me, so shout out to Milk Makeup for gifting me those products in PR. But yeah, so far I think it looks great. It looks glowy. I don't have a highlighter on, so that speaks to how glowy this makeup look is. I did use the Hydro Grip setting spray for the first time, and I actually really like it. I've used the Hydro Grip primer before, which is why I wanted to try out the matte primer that they sent me. And like I said, I think I'm giving baby doll. Like, I really think this makeup looks amazing. So, oh my gosh, how could I forget? The very product that has shook me the most, besides the blush and the skin tint, Well, wait a minute. Because the concealer shook me too. I'm not gonna lie to you, babe. Like, the under eye tint, like, when I rolled it on my face, I did not know it was gonna brighten up my under eyes. Like, this is probably one of the first times in a long time that I feel like my under eye bags have been hidden from like my concealer. And I don't know whether it was the application or what, but that under eye concealer, like, chef's kiss. I love it. 2, y'all, this lip plumper, like, I've never felt my lips tingle in a way that they tingle with this lip plumper. And it kind of, I don't know what all is in it, but babe, it is plumping. But it, like, when I applied it, I was getting like a all natural kind of vibe. Like, I don't know what plant or mint leaf or what they got up in here, but it was giving very much like a natural. Milk Makeup is clean beauty, so let's start there. But y'all, this plumper is ridiculous, but it didn't hurt. It was just such a unique tingle that I've never felt before, and I like it. And my lips look like nice, plump, and juicy. And the color, the pigment, babe, get into it. So this is probably by far one of my favorite ones that I've tried out, and I need more shades ASAP, okay? I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit and let you know how it's going. All right, guys, just checking back in. It is 8:36-ish, and this is what my face looks like. It still looks flawless. We still got a glow going on. I have not, like, blotted my face or anything, so like, it's definitely giving. Natural oils are kicking in. It's giving skin. I'm sure if I took just like a brush and some powder, this don't even got powder on it, but if I just touched up my face like this, we'll be good to go, especially if I put some powder on it. Let me see if I can find my Fenty powder. What I really need to get is their blotting, the Invisimatte blotting powder, just to throw in my bag. But I mean, she's giving flawless, if I do say so myself. So far, like, 10 out of 10. I'm doing this makeup look tomorrow. The only thing I ate and everything, so that's why my lip color is eating off, but 10 out of 10. I think it looks amazing. So that's my wear test / check-in. All right, guys, I wanted to go ahead and close out this video. So hopefully, you know, this lasted through the day based on my post-review wear test that you guys just saw in that previous clip. But thank you guys for tuning in. Again, shout out to Milk Makeup for sending me some lovely products in PR. I'm super excited about reusing these products and like working them into my normal routine, because I love a good your skin but better product. So shout out to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment below what other brands you guys want me to try, and let me know if you enjoyed videos like this. I love you guys so very much, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to the full. Bye, y'all. Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.